Hello, my name is Takumu Shimizu, and I'm from Tokyo University of Agriculture and Technology. I'm going to explain about my agent, GentleS. Here is the contents of my presentation. First, I'm going to talk about offering strategy. Second, I'm going to talk about acceptance strategy. Third, I will explain about risk management. To start with explaining about offering strategy. This slide shows the offer price when Gentle has no agreement. GentleS concede in the final negotiation round only. In addition, the price conceded in the final round become more conceded according to simulation steps. Look at this figure. This is a tradable price range. And the criterion is the trading price TP. GentleS concede according to simulation step. Specifically, seller's offer price is from TP times 1.1 to TP times 0.7. On the other hand, buyer offer price is from TP times 0.9 to TP times 1.3. When Gentle has some agreements, the offer price is different from the previous one. However, conceding in the final negotiation round only is the same. The criterion is based on the worst agreed price for GentleS, defined as P-worst contract. If P-worst contract is good for GentleS, the offer price is P-worst contract itself. On the other hand, if the price is bad for GentleS, the offer price is better than P-worst contract. Next, I will explain about the offer quantity. GentleS consider my and opponent's needs. More specifically, using the quantity of my needs and the quantity of the last opponent's offer, GentleS calculate the offer quantity with this formula. It selects the smaller of the two variables. Next, let me talk about acceptance strategy. This strategy aims to accept the opponent's offer in the last step. GentleS set P accept, that is the criterion of agreement. The price is calculated with this formula. The formula used a P best selling and a P best buying. They are better price of previous opponent's offer. And the P best contract, it is the best price of previous agreements. Move on to the next part. I want to talk about risk management. In acceptance strategy, GentleS check if the minimum requirements are satisfied. More specifically, it doesn't accept the offer when the following conditions are satisfied. In this equation, this is the production cost. This variable is the price of opponent offer. This is the disposal cost, and this is the shortfall penalty. And this is the price of exogenous contract. In this equation, the left side of this formula represents the cost of purchasing, and the right side of this formula represents the cost of not purchasing. If the cost of purchasing is larger than that of not purchasing, GentleS doesn't accept the offer. Here is summary of our presentation. About offering strategy, GentleS offer considering the other agent's terms of acceptance. About acceptance strategy, GentleS accepts the opponent's offer in the last step. About risk management, GentleS check if the minimum requirements are satisfied. Thank you for listening.